Good morning, good morning. So here it's good. I forgot my hat this morning, but everything else is here. Good morning, everybody. This is the Poetry Studio, still traveling. Let me turn on the music a little bit. So you can see I'm wearing a mask today. That is because I'm at my in-laws' house, and we are just trying to be safe, even though my mask continues to fall down as I talk. So it's going to be a short show today. Just going to be trying to run through another round of edits on my poem about the new year. But it is exciting. It's good to be able to be up and streaming. We were not here yesterday. Yesterday was just a mess. It just was getting settled here. It was not the smoothest thing. I did stream on Sunday morning and then getting kind of things together yesterday for the show. It's not going to happen. I was doing a lot of other stuff. Had to listen to something at 5 a.m. It got a little crazy. We might even have a little bit of a ghost town of a show today, but that's perfectly fine. But let's get started on some poetry. Just a little bit of poetry to be able to get the wheels turning. I've been busy with a lot of other work. I know that a lot of our regular viewers from the Maz stream are still over there, DJing it out with Akira. Perfectly fine. So, a few days ago, we started working on a New Year's poem. I kind of had written stuff that was just a bunch of notes, and I'm gonna kind of be riffing a little bit off of that to just kind of dig a little deeper to all that and see what's coming up next. I'm doing some edits right now. Right, a couple of edits are done, ready to write. Hey, Ashes of Authority, good to see you in here. Working on a New Year's poem. I appreciate the lurk while at work. It has been going well. very busy, but very good, and traveling to and seeing family. Hence the mask. Masked up while visiting family. But doing the stream in the dining room of their house. The streaming continues while traveling. My dog has decided to come and join me. I forgot a word almost. I forgot the word calligraphy. It's a good music for the this portion of the poem. I always found this song to be very contemplative. The instrumentals and everything. It got a mellowness to it. So again, these are still in draft form until I think tomorrow? No, it's going to actually be the eve of the 31st when I have to have this thing pinned down. But I got a little draft here. Let's lower our music to read. And I might finish up with some haiku. 2020. I have heard the scribes of history, the perpetual scratch of the pen like a wound, a needle prick audible over the silence of shutdowns and sadness. I wish to be the ink, flowing in calligraphic consistency as an endless river around this, a world-sized boulder. Every day of my life I have lusted for comfort, security, and loving. But the world burst forth, opened the maw of anxiety, and knocked me from my nursery rhyme perch. A cave inside me collapsed. The shadows shifted. The bowl of water overflowing with soul was glued back together. Gold in between the cracks, a truth, a blinding light, a meaning. I am counting down through a television, transmitting hope across the universe, reaching out to the new year. I grasp for the future to place in the present children not yet born, planets not yet discovered. smiles lost among the masked faces. When time stopped as hearts froze in shock and horror, we found we could step across errors. The Spanish flu, landing on Mars, love in the time of cholera. They reset their paces, seeking awareness. Some hearts never resumed beating. Some hearts are still looking for meaning. But we are all dreaming for tomorrow, because for all of us, tomorrow must become today. I'm really happy with this. There's issues. There are too many images in our second stanza. I got to figure out how to balance that. I think I'm married to the cave, Plato's cave, but I should get out of that. Some issues with the third stanza. I think the first stanza is very good. For a while, I thought it wasn't going to be a 3-stanza poem, but it still seems to be coming out that way. Yeah, well, we'll call it quits early today. And then tomorrow we will be back, 10 a.m., streaming, doing some more poetry. Thank you so much for tuning in, Ashes of Authority. Really appreciate you being here. It's good to just have a quick jaunt into Twitch, writing. And really appreciate your support and also appreciate everybody else's. And if you're watching this on the replay, short video, you know, with the craziness that's been going on, it is good to just simply get back in touch with this here and be streaming and being able to show everybody poetry. So thank you again so much for watching and have a wonderful day.